Do you know whose car this is? This is yours? What is this? A Sterling. What year did they make this car?
Well, from 74, 73 to about 90 at different places.
Oh, really? So it's like a kit car?
Yeah.
Oh, it is a kit car. What motor does it have in it?
This one has a VW.
Oh, interesting. And so were they bodied somewhere and then you just kind of put a motor in them yourself? Was that the deal?
No, you could buy it any way you wanted to, but it's basically a fiberglass parts. And I blasted them together.
Huh.
So this panel along here was too. This is separate from this.
Oh, okay.
This is separate from that. And I just blasted it all together.
Oh, interesting. It's a very interesting looking car. It's very kind of like Miami Vice / Tron meets futuristic something or other. It's pretty cool looking. Oh, Vector. Yeah, it does look very Vector-ish. I've only seen one of those in person in my life. Those are very, very rare to see.
So many of them anyway. Like
Yeah.
There's like probably 6 or 7 of them.
Yeah. And they're each like $3 or $4 million, right? Or more. Huh. Interesting.
The guy that actually made Victor just passed away earlier this year, or last year.
Does this have like a LED like taillight thing going on here?